Welcome to Shastra Science for the science loving mind. Shastra, the Indian Journal of Science and Technology, Stijosat, glimpses of the 2021 issues. January February 2021. Cover story on aromatherapy in the prevention and treatment of cancer. Other popular articles: Virgin coconut oil health benefits, wagtails, news from the world of science, part 2. Musings in COVID times. The scientific timber. 120-year history of science. Happy birthday, dear scientist. Research paper on biopackaging. Extended distribution of Rotala anamica. Regular features on scientific crossword puzzles. Technology of the month. Technology of the future. Amazing fish. Book of the month. Physics puzzle. Maths puzzle. Of science, scientist and humor. Sine tunes. Flower of the month. Amazing images. March-April 2021 issue. Cover story on nanotechnology, a plethora of applications. Variety is the spice of life. Forensic entomology, a hand lens for autopsies. Chronology of major COVID-19 research around the world in 2020. 120-year history of science. Musings in COVID times. The best scientific discoveries in 2020. Research paper on impact of developmental activities. Of science, scientists and humor. Book of the month. Snippet science. Quiz of the month. Flower of the month. Amazing images. May-June 2021 issue. Cover story on Indian women in science. 2020 scientific news. 10 scientists aim to solve some of the science's biggest challenges. The Kurukshetra War, a panorama in a science museum. The power of similes in philosophy and science. Musings in COVID times. The scientific temper. The Indian scientist who changed the world, B.P. Paul. Research papers. Effect of yoga practice on stress relief. Book of the month. Of science, scientist and humor. S. Ramanujan. Snippet Science. Flower of the month. Amazing images. July, August 2021. Cover story on body clock and immune system. Hazards of environmental air pollution, its impact and mitigation. Patenting life, the revolutionary gift of an Indian scientist. Dry farming in India. Sun halo, a rare phenomenon. Antibodies may cause rare blood clots after some COVID-19 vaccines. Chronology of major physics research around the world in 2020. Scientist in your backyard. The scientific temper. Musings in COVID times. "120-year history of science." Research paper on sustainable food security. Physics puzzle. Wonderful nature. Amazing animals. Amazing fish. Flower of the month. September, October 2021. Cover story on India scientific. Michael Faraday and the dawn of electrical age. A scientific look at the concept of soul. Book review. Understanding cave fish, their habitat, adaptations and conservation. Musings in COVID times. Technology for ready-to-eat fish delicacies from ICR Swift. Latest news from the world of science. Hyperspectral imaging in agriculture. The scientific temper. Research paper. Variability studies in banana. The mystery of how, why, when and where. Snippet science. Math puzzle. Physics puzzle. Amazing fish. Book of the month. Quiz of the month. Amazing animals. Wonderful nature. Flower of the month. Amazing images. November-December 2021 issue. Cover story on bacteria that defy antibiotics. Food systems with a special reference to COVID-19 in India. International mindedness and the periodic table. Parental care in fishes. Pistol shrimps, the underwater sharpshooters. The scientific temper. Musings in COVID times. Chronology of major environmental research around the world in 2020. New discovery settles long-standing debate about photovoltaic materials. Research paper on women mainstreaming through medicinal plants cultivation. Note on ecotopic variation of apanogeton. Math puzzle. Of science, scientists and humor. Amazing birds. The mystery of how, why, when and where. Flower of the month, amazing images. Contributions are invited for Shastra. Editorial team. Subscription fees rupees 500 for 3 years, 18 issues. Thank you.